Welcome to When Competition Replaces Connection. When God created Adam and Eve, he put Adam into a deep sleep and took one of his ribs to form Eve, not a bone from his feet, nor from above his ribs, but from his side, a symbol that she was meant to stand beside him, not beneath him, not above him, side by side. God created togetherness. Then Lucifer, the strategist, schemed separation. He introduced competition, knowing that if people acted against each other, their hearts would follow, and so the world began to drift. Competition starts early. In school, we're taught to compete for grades, for praise, for position. On the sports field, we're trained to win, not to play together, but to defeat. Then we grow up and compete in business, in status, in success. Screens show us perfectly portrayed people, creating artificial standards of beauty we feel pressured to match. We begin to compete even with our own reflections. If Lucifer hadn't deceived Eve and Eden remained untouched, there would be no school buildings, no business towers, no cities built on separation, no mirrors constantly reminding us to focus on how we look. There would be God, angels, humans, animals, and nature. We would spend time together, focused on each other. Learning would be natural, led by the soul, not forced by systems. Sports wouldn't be about scoring points, but about running down hills together and exploring God's creation before it became dull. No alarm clocks, no phones, no laptops, no computer games, just lions and elephants as companions. No boredom, no loneliness. But Satan turned us against each other. He built a system of dependence, separating children from parents, sending one to work and the other to school. That was never God's design. God created togetherness. We wouldn't have needed money or businesses. God gave us resources to create and share freely. Each skill, each talent used to meet a need, not to compete, but to complete. Competition turns our minds against each other. Love brings us together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.